Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In a village where the daisies bloom, 5 ducks danced beneath the sun's warm plume. With feathers bright and laughter in their quack, they painted joy along the winding track. The first was bold, with eyes of gleaming jade. He led the flock through fields of golden shade. His waddle proud, he'd strut without a care, a king among them in his feathered lair. The second duck was gentle, soft and shy. She lingered near the brook where lilies lie, with every ripple echoing her song. Her heart was tender, she could do no wrong. The third one dreamed of skies both wide and blue. Evening found him gazing at the hue. He spoke of clouds as if they held a key, a wanderer born with wings yet to be free. The fourth was wise, her voice like autumn leaves. She told tales woven from what nature weaves, of moonlit nights when shadows softly creep. Her stories lulled all creatures into sleep. And last there was a duckling full of cheer, with boundless energy that drew them near. He chased his friends through puddles glistening and bright. Their laughter echoed under starlit night. Together they would wander neath the trees, through whispering winds and fragrant summer breeze. In harmony they formed a world so dear. 5 hearts entwined throughout each passing
lived a boy with dreams.
Now in that village where daisies still
by the brook where soft waters gleam,
the spirit dances
5
in
ducks
the
quacked
light
and
of
together they dreamed.
For 5 brave ducks remind us
and glimmers of gold, they waddled with tales that were waiting to be told. The boy with laughter like rippling streams found solace in them, lost in his dreams. Each morning he'd rise before dawn's gentle kiss to greet his 5 friends in sweet morning bliss. They'd splash in the shallows, their joy unconfined, while he tossed them crumbs from his small hands entwined. One duck was quite plucky, she led all the rest. With mischief and courage she thought herself best. The boy would chuckle at her daring display. Together they ventured through fields of soft hay. Yet shadows grew longer as summer days waned. A whisper of autumn through branches remained. The boy felt a tug at his heartstrings so tight, for soon he must part from their joyful delight. He gathered them close for one last sunny day, a feast by the brook where they'd frolic and play. Remember me fondly, he said with a sigh, as tears mingled softly beneath the clear sky. But love is a bond that will never decay, though distance may stretch like the end of Time to do hound, he know it. If we want the right hiding. In a village where the sunflowers sway, lived a boy with dreams bright as day. By the brook where soft waters gleamed, 5 ducks quacked and together they dreamed. With feathers of white and glimmers of gold, they waddled with tales that were waiting to be told. The boy with laughter like rippling streams.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.